Good morning, Evan. I hope you had a nice weekend. I miss you. So I'm just going to show you really quick what you'll be doing today. So I want you to go over here and you'll see my video here, and then you have your morning work, your writing, your reading, your math, and then you have social studies with Mr. Lee, so check out his folder. And then you have gym with Mr. Robinson, so check out his folder. And he usually posts things at 11:30 around. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click your Starfall morning work, and it's going to bring you to the calendar.
Yippee!
And you're going
It's
to
April
complete your morning work, your morning calendar.
Goodbye.
And then when you're done with that, you're going to good morning, the greeting I chose today. So you could choose high five, fist pump, wave, or handshake. So you're either going to bring the box up to the rectangle, or you can do it and you can put it over, whatever one you want, okay? So you're going to identify the month, the day, the year, and then this is cool. This is the weather. So you're going to click the weather and you're going to put in your city. And then it tells you the weather. So it says partly cloudy. So then when you're done with that, you're going to go to slide 8 and you would put in partly, you could put in cloudy, whatever the weather is for the day. Okay? Then you're going to type, you're going to have typing practice. So I want you to type your name, Evan. Okay? And then you're going to do your reading assignment. So you're going to click your login. Now your username is your EIS number, your OIS number. So you're going to click the login and you're going to enter your OIS number, New York, and then go. And you're going to complete your reading assignment, and then you're going to complete your math assignment, okay? And then when you're done with that, you're all done. And then I want you to press the turn in button so that I know that you're done. Okay? Bye, Evan. I'll see you tomorrow, okay, buddy?